Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing my July, I can't even remember like what month it is anymore, my July BOXYCHARM unboxing and try on. Sorry this is like kind of late in the month already. I didn't get my box until like a couple of days ago, so here we are. But I'm really excited because there is a couple products in here that I want to try out. So yeah, let's just jump into it. If you guys don't know what BOXYCHARM is already, it is a monthly subscription box. This is the base box. There is like a couple different boxes, but this is the base box. I believe is $25 a month. Always get 4 to 5 full-size products in it every month. And I've honestly found like some of my favorite products in the box all the time. And one of my favorite products is actually in this box this month. So very excited. Anyway, I will leave a link down below in the description box if you guys want to sign up for BOXYCHARM yourself. I do get a tiny commission off of it. If you guys don't feel comfortable with using the affiliate link, you don't have to. You guys can just go to BOXYCHARM.com and sign up for it yourselves. But if you guys do use my link, then I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for always supporting me. Anyways, let's jump into it. So this month's box's theme is sunshine. Here's a little card. Let me just get this one out of the way because I'm not going to be able to use it today. But this is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This is what it looks like. It's a skincare item. It's retailing for $49.95. It says it's a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extract to come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and reduce eventual signs of aging. Honestly, this sounds great. The only thing is it has pineapple in it. And if you guys don't know already, I am allergic to pineapple, so I can't use this. We'll be definitely giving it to my mom because she loves skincare and this sounds like something right up her alley. I wish I could use it. It honestly sounds really good, but yeah, I can't. So I just wanted to get that one out of the way. The thing we have in here is from the brand Studio Makeup. I have tried some stuff from them before. This is the Endurance Cream eyeshadow. Honestly, this looks really pretty. Like it's like a really nice lid shade. It's in the shade Gold, but it looks like a more champagne-y gold than like just a true gold or whatever. This retails for $25. Honestly, that's a little pricey, but I'm gonna be trying this today. I'm gonna just do like some eyeshadow. Obviously, this is like just a lid shade or like just a shimmery shade. For my eyes, I'm gonna be using the Pure and RawBeautyKristi palette. I'm gonna be using the neutral side today. I haven't used the neutral side yet, but I'm probably gonna be doing just like a very basic neutral look. I think I'm gonna use, it's Camelot, Copper Boxes, and B. Just these three right here. So let me do that really quick. I'm gonna kind of speed through this part really quick just because it's probably gonna be something really simple. But if you guys want to see my review on this palette, then I'll put that in the little eye thingy up here. Okay, so I just went ahead and did that really quick. Honestly, these shadows are so good. They're so pigmented. That's besides the point. Okay, anyway, I love these colors though. They're so like right up my alley. Camelot shade is so good. I'm gonna take the little liquid eyeshadow. Like I said, this is in the shade Gold. So I'm gonna, let me swatch this on the back of my hand. Oh my god, that's beautiful. I love this kind of gold. It's like a champagne-y white gold. It's really, really pretty. I don't want a lot of shimmer, so I think I'm just going to take whatever I just took on the back of my hand with my finger and just kind of pat that on. Just to give like a nice little shimmer, you know? I don't want anything too intense. That may have just taken off some of my eyeshadow. A little too liquidy that it kind of takes off like my eyeshadow. Let me see. Yeah, it does kind of feel a little watery too. Okay, I took a little bit more and that looks better, but it is very thin. Like it's a very thin consistency where it kind of just picks up whatever is underneath. I don't know how much I like it. Like I don't think I'll use it again. Not anything. I don't think it's worth $25. It's more expensive than like the Stila ones. And the Stila ones are nice. That's that liquid eyeshadow. The next product we have in here, I'm going to do my foundation and stuff, but we have the Cream Shop Next Gen Blender Set. These retail for $22. Am I crazy, or like was the Cream Shop not like one of those brands that was sold at the dollar store? Is that another brand? Am I thinking of another brand? I could have sworn that this was like a brand that was sold at like the dollar store. Let me know if I'm crazy, if I'm thinking of another brand. I don't know. But anyways, this is from the cream shop. I'll show you guys what they look like first before I wet them. Here's the first one. It's just like a very interesting shape. Soft though. And it's like a pink marbly color. And then we have this one that has just like one flat edge and the rest of it is just kind of like a regular sponge. I'm probably going to use this one because I don't really care for that other one. But yeah, I mean, they're just some sponges, so I'm gonna go wet these really quick and then we'll apply foundation. So I went ahead and just wet the sponge. It did get pretty like normal size, you know, and it's still really soft and squishy. So I'm gonna apply my foundation with this. I'm using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation. I still have a little sample one. I'm actually using the shade Light 45W. This actually is like a perfect match. I know in my video that I did on the foundation, I did 50W. I can use both of them, but I feel like this one's actually a better match than 50. So I'll apply this one and we'll see how it applies. Okay, it's going on nice. I feel like on camera this foundation looks really light at first, but I swear it matches me like perfectly. Yeah, the sponge is applying it really nicely. I do feel like it kind of soaks up a lot of product, same amount that I usually take, and I feel like I need to dip into more because it's kind of, I don't know if you guys can see like the darker spot on the sponge. That's kind of where it soaked up all the product. Now that I have my foundation applied, I feel like the sponge did soak up quite a bit of product, and I don't feel like, I think because it was soaking up so much product, the foundation kind of lost some of the coverage that it gives with some other foundation, like other sponges that I use. My normal Makeup Shack sponge, I get a little bit more coverage with it, whereas this one I feel like kind of sheared it out a little bit because it was picking up so much product. Apply my concealer and see how it blends that out. This is just the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer. It's in the same shade as the foundation. Blended out my concealer fine. I don't think it picked up too much product. Honestly, it might just be because I apply concealer straight to my face, whereas like foundation, I put it on the back of my hand and then apply it to my face. Might make it soak up a little bit more product, but I guess if you just apply the product to your face and blend it out that way, it might work better because I feel like it blended out the concealer pretty nicely. Finish up the rest of my face. I have a bronzer next, so let me just go ahead and set my under eyes and stuff. The next product in the box is from one of my favorite brands, which is Ace Beauty, and this is their Bronzed in Paradise bronzer palette. This is what it looks like. It has different bronzers in here. It retails for $30. I know I love their eyeshadows, so I'm excited. I'm gonna try this light bronzer first and see how it works because the other one looks a little bit warmer. I might go in with that one afterwards. So we're gonna just take this first shade. I'm taking my normal bronzer brush. This is the Makeup Shack T20. Okay, not bad. It's a good undertone. It's not too warm, not too cool either. It seems to be blending like fine, like on my face and stuff. It doesn't seem to be patchy or anything. I'm gonna take a little bit of the second shade, just kind of like in the hollows. That is what my face looks like bronze. I actually really like it. I think I like the shade of it. It's not too warm, it's not too cool, but it gives like a nice bronzed effect. So I'll finish up the rest of my face. We have one product left and I'm super excited that it's in this box, so I will be right back. I'm gonna do my lower lash line, by the way, while I do the rest of my makeup. I'm just gonna use the same shades that I use on the top on the bottom. Okay, so I just went ahead and finished up the rest of my makeup. I don't know if you guys can tell because the lights might wash out my face, but I put on the ColourPop freckle pen. I've been using this like every day and I'm obsessed with it. This is the best freckle pen I've ever used. I had the lime crime one. I don't like it that much. It just makes the freckles look too not realistic. I don't know. This one looks so realistic. I love it so much. I'm using soft brown, but I love it. I put a little bit on, but like I said, these lights like wash me out. But let's move on to the last product, which I am so excited that's in the box. I know not everyone got this, but I know some boxes did. But this is the Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. This is so good. I'm not going to use this one today because I have one already and I don't want to open this one. But this is the new packaging. I have the old one. Well, not the old one, but their original packaging, which is this one. I've been using this like every single day. I didn't even have a chance to post this like before it even launched because I think I got it on the launch day and I was like busy, and I swear it sold out like instantly. Like it sold out so fast, so I never even got a chance to like post it on my story or anything, but I've been using it so much. If you guys look at my Instagram store or my Instagram and like my makeup deets and stuff, I've been wearing it so much. So I love this with the regular pencil, the regular birthday suit pencil, the corresponding one. It's a little light. I've been using it like with Dulce, which is the one I use all the time, and I put like birthday suit in the middle and I just put the gloss over, and it's so good. But because I have like a more smoky, mustardy, yellowy color going on right now, which by the way, that Camelot shade is probably going to be like my most used shade out of that entire palette. It is so good. This is like my perfect neutral smoky eye. Chef's kiss. This retails for $15. Like I said, I'm not going to open this one, but I love the new packaging. But I'm just going to use my regular one with the Coquette lip liner. This one's like the dark brown one. And I might go in with Dulce. Put a little bit of that one on just to line my lips. I look crazy. Just filling it in with Dulce. It's like a lighter brown. I'm just gonna like rub my lips together. Like so. I'm gonna go on top of it with the birthday suit gloss. And this one smells so good too. This one is like a pink with shimmer in it. It's so pretty. Oh, I love it. It's so good. I am obsessed with this one. I think this might be my favorite gloss from them, but if you guys want to see like a swatch, it is a pink with some multicolored shimmer throughout it. It's honestly a really good dupe for the Fenty Fussy Gloss. I swatched the Fenty Fussy Gloss next to it. So here's the Alamar one, and here is Fenty's Fussy, which is it's my favorite gloss from Fenty. Honestly, dupe. Like this one's a little bit more mauve-y pink, where this one's like more a neutral pink. But I love both, and I think the Alamar one is a little bit cheaper. I think the Fenty ones are $19, but either way, I love Alamar's formula more than the Fenty one though. So this is the finished look. I'm obsessed. I love it. Over what was in this month's box, and let me add up the total. Okay, so this month's box was worth $141.95. Not bad. Well, I think this was a pretty good box. Liquid eyeshadow was like the only thing I didn't really like. It's not that it was bad, I just feel like it kind of removed some of my eyeshadow underneath. But I mean, it did add like a really pretty sparkle, and it was okay. I actually really like this bronzer palette. It's really nice, and I love the color of the bronzer. It's not too warm and it's not too cool. It's like the perfect like bronzer. Sponges were okay. I mean, the one that I used was okay. I have my sponges that I like, and I don't know, I don't really venture out to new sponges because I still end up using the same one over and over again. Like the same, not the same exact sponge. I obviously buy new ones, but the same one I continuously buy all the time. So yeah, I mean, it was good. It applied my foundation fine, and it blended out my concealer nicely. Overall, they were okay. I was super excited to have the Alamar gloss in here, and I'm really glad because I love this gloss so much, and I could already see myself using this one a lot. So I was a little sad that it sold out because I wanted to get a backup, so now I have one. I think this gloss is also limited edition too. This was like for their birthday, so I don't even know if it's coming back. I know she asked on Instagram like if she should bring it back and stuff. I think they should make this permanent. Honestly, I think it's their best gloss so far. But if it was limited edition, then I'm really glad I got this in the box because I love this gloss. Leave me a comment down below what you guys got in your box this month. Did you guys get the same stuff that I did? Did you guys get anything different? Leave me a comment down below. I want to hear what you guys got in your box. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.